Hi there, my name is Edem Donald, also known as Donald the Realtor. Now in this video, I will be explaining some land documents and statutory fees you need to know to make the buying process easy whenever you want to buy a property in Nigeria. I will be explaining what documentation is and also what it represents. Now, as a background to this video, I have had many people come to my DM to ask questions like, what does it mean for a land to be excised? What is a certificate of occupancy? What is a global C of O? What do you people mean when you talk about governor's consents? What is a governor's consent? What does it mean for a land to have a freehold? And all questions like that. So in this video or throughout this month, I will be taking them one after the other, step by step, and I will be showing what these land titles really mean and what they represent. Now let's begin with the first one. Let's begin with excision. What does it mean for a land to be excised? Now, excision simply means to take a part out of a whole, and then that part that is being excised or taken out is being recorded and documented in the official government gazette of that state. Let's say Lagos State, for example. Now in Lagos State, real estate companies, what they do is if they want to buy, let's say, hectares of land, they go to the Bale or the original owners of that land. When they have reached an agreement, what they do is to get a survey. Then with the registered survey, they now proceed to the government to file for excision. Now, what the government does is they give them an excision file number. Now, excision file number doesn't mean the government has approved that excision. Not yet. What the government is simply telling them is, we have received your request and it is under consideration. But what most real estate companies do is, instead of waiting for the government to approve the excision, they go ahead to sell the land with the title excision file number. If you are watching this video, do not buy a land with the title excision file number. Now, this is the reason. A land with excision file number has no guarantee. The government may not approve that excision. That is because we have two types of land. In Lagos, for example, we have lands that are under committed acquisition, and we also have lands that are under global acquisition. Now, if the land you are buying falls under committed acquisition, that means you have lost that land. It is a government land, and the government will never issue an excision to a land that is under committed acquisition. They have already indicated interest in that land. So that simply means if you buy such a land, you are there like a tenant until when the government is ready to seize the land. So the land will be seized by the government and you will not be compensated. You don't want that to happen to you. You don't want to lose your hard-earned money. So what I'm advising you today is, make sure you do your due diligence, ensure the land you want to buy before you make payment has a government-approved excision. If you do not know how to go about it, my number is on the screen. You can always reach out to me. You can talk to me, and I will, show you the way. I will help you out. In my next video, I will be talking about certificate of occupancy and global certificate of occupancy. What do they represent? Thank you so much for watching. Until we meet again in the next video, goodbye.